Welcome back. In this section, we'll create a Parallax website. So this website right here. First of all, what is the Parallax scrolling effect? The Parallax scrolling is a web technique in which the background moves at a slower pace than the foreground. So if you take a look at this website, you can see that the background images move at a slower pace than the foreground. This results in a 3D effect as visitors scroll down the site, adding a sense of depth and creating a more immersive experience. Parallax is based on an optical illusion caused by the effect that the human eye perceives objects that are closer to us as larger than things that are farther away. As a result, we perceive distant objects as if they are moving more slowly than that are up close. So this is basically the parallax effect. This website will also have a navigation up here with some hover effects, 2 registration and sign in buttons. Also, we'll have an animation right here for this logo. It will slowly come in, and then the margins will have a border radius, or the borders will have a border radius. Then we'll have this nice about section. Then the services, we will have free services. Then the contact, we will have our form. So we'll integrate the form again. And down here, a footer section with some hover effects over our social media icons. This website will also be responsive. So let me just go up here, right click, inspect, and let's turn it into a iPad Pro format. As you can see, this shrinks down, and let's just refresh the page again. Then start scrolling down. You can see the about section turns into 2.5 columns. So there will be 1 in the middle and 2 left and right. Then this section will be smushed a bit together. And if we go then in an iPad format, the website will have an even smaller font size. And if you go to an iPhone format, so to a phone format, you can see up here, the navigation will change. And down here, everything will be in 1 column. And on our services section, this will now turn into a parallax effect. So I think this is a really great website for you to have in your portfolio. So hope you're excited, and let's get started with the project. So see you soon. Bye-bye.